Very meditative, pleasant, and calming begin to this hour and introduction to our guests. Two of the members who will be on site at the Sunwatch Indian Village this Sunday for what they're calling the Season of the Popping Trees. It's my pleasure to welcome to Excursions John DeBoer, storyteller and musician. Hi, John. Thank you for being here.
Hello.
Thanks so much. Thanks for bringing that song. And you're not alone. Troy Ball, the percussionist and didgeridooist for Mystic Flutes and Tribal Drums that you're both members of in the studio as well. Welcome, Troy. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Wow, I feel like I've been charmed. I feel like I've been mesmerized. Do you get a lot of people that just like are just like blissed out when they are done listening to that? John DeBoer and Troy Ball. What fun.